Have you heard about digital marketing? I'm not gonna ask this question. I know definitely कहीं ना कहीं आप लोगों ने सुना ही होगा. But एक बार के लिए हम लोग बेसिक्स की बात कर लेते हैं. What is the basics of digital marketing? So let's talk about digital marketing. Before we discuss about digital marketing, let's first understand what is marketing. So what is marketing? Marketing is communicating your business values to the customers, basically showing your business have the solution for the customer problem and showing the true value of what you can offer. Marketing is less about selling. It is more about serving. So now let's jump to what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is marketing of products and services using digital tools and strategies. It really means marketing your business on digital platforms like websites, social media platforms, search engines, emails, videos, etc., etc., etc. It's a constantly evolving field that needs creativity and strategy. But don't worry, it's not a rocket science. So why digital marketing? One of the coolest things about digital marketing is that you can target specific audiences. Hope you understand what is digital marketing. Now let's jump to the major parts of digital marketing. Number 1, content marketing. Number 2, social media marketing, search engine optimization, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, email marketing, video marketing, blogging, mobile marketing. With the right strategy, a business can reach to their potential customers with a meaningful ways. Plus, it's cost effective and won't break your bank. What are the tools to know to get started? Google AdWords or PPC, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Google Keyword Planner, Moz, Google Tag Manager. So these are the tools you should start using if you want to jump in the field of digital marketing. So let's understand what are the skills you need to get success in digital marketing. Brand development and branding, strategic thinking, creative and analytic abilities, basic SEO, lead generation, competitive research, content creation, social media marketing. If you want to know more about digital marketing, follow us on Instagram. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy digital marketing. Thank you.